In this video, we have to see journal entries. Meaning of accounting. It is a systematic record of daily events. That means business events or business transactions. The main purpose of financial accounting is to record the business transactions to find out the profit or loss. A business may have dealing with persons, firms, institutions, companies, assets, liabilities, income and expenditures. Accounts are classified into three types: personal account, real account and nominal account. Personal account. It deals persons, firms, companies and man-made institutions. Natural persons personal account. Sairam, Jagadguru. Artificial persons personal account. Bank, firms, companies, clubs. Representative personal account. Capital, drawings, outstanding liabilities. Real account. It deals with assets of the business. Cash, furniture, land and building, machinery, shares, purchase, sales. Nominal account. It deals income and expenditure, rent, salary, commission, discount received, dividend received, depreciation. Personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. Raju started business with a cash of rupees 5,000. Cash account data to Raju's capital account. So Raju is personal account, cash is real account. Cash is come inside to the business. Purchased goods for cash, rupees 3,000. It is cash purchase. Purchase account data to cash. Both items are real account. To apply the real account rule. Purchased goods from Mohan for rupees 500. In this transaction, purchased goods from Mohan. So, it is credit purchase. Purchase account data to Mohan account. Purchase is real, then Mohan is personal account. Sold goods for cash rupees 1,000. Cash account data to sales account. Cash is come inside to the business and goods is goes outside of the business. Cash and sales are both under the head of real account. Sold goods to Rohan for rupees 6,000. It is considered as credit sales. Rohan account data to sales account. Purchased goods worth rupees 200 returned to Mohan. Mohan account data to purchase return. Purchase return, otherwise called as return outward. Received goods returned by Rohan worth rupees 300. It is considered as sales return. Entry is sales return account data to Rohan. Sales return, another name is return inward. Paid rent rupees 500. Rent, it is under the head of nominal account. Rent account data to cash. Paid rent rupees 600 to Ram the landlord. Entry is rent account data to cash. We have to ignore the landlord. Received interest rupees 600. Cash account data to interest. Interest is income. To apply the nominal account rule. Purchased furniture for rupees 5,000. The furniture purchased for business use, not the purpose of buying and selling. So it is considered as asset. Furniture account data to cash. Purchased furniture from Traders rupees 4,000. It is considered as credit purchase. Furniture purchased on credit. So the entry is furniture account data to Traders Limited. Opened a current account with Canara Bank by depositing rupees 10,000. Canara Bank account data to cash. Bank is a personal account. Cash is the real account. Sold old furniture for rupees 800. That means used furniture. So cash account data to furniture account. Paid check to Traders Limited rupees 200. To paid the amount to Traders. Traders Limited account data to bank. So mode is check. So we put bank account. Amount withdrawn from bank for rupees 500 official use. Cash account data to bank. Owner take the amount from the business for the purpose of his personal use. So drawings account data to cash. Drawings also considered as personal account. Owner takes some goods from business for his personal use. So the entry is drawing account data to purchase account. Amount taken from bank for personal use rupees 900. Drawings account data to bank. Rent payable rupees 1,200. That means rent is not yet paid. Rent account data to rent outstanding account. Interest earned but not received rupees 700. Interest accrued account data to interest account 700. Purchased furniture by issuing check rupees 2,000. Furniture account data 2,000 to bank account rupees 2,000. Purchased goods worth rupees 5,000 less 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount. At the time of the purchase, we receive the trade discount. Then we have to pay the amount that the time we received the discount. That discount is called as cash discount. 5,000 into 20%. Trade discount amount is 1,000. So we have to pay only 4,000 rupees. In 4,000 rupees, we avail 5% cash discount. So 4,000 into 5%, 200. We have to pay only 3,800. So purchase account data 4,000 to cash 3,800 to discount 200. Rupees 2,646 received from Anand in full settlement of rupees 2,700. We give the discount to Anand. So cash account data 2,646, discount account data rupees 54. Difference between 2,700 and 2646. To Anand account 2700. Rupees 250 has by Mari written off as bad debts. Bad debts account data to Mari. Bad debts is also considered as nominal account. Purchased machinery for rupees 22,000, pay cash of rupees 15,000 and the balance on account. In this purchase, cash and credit purchase is mixed yet. Machinery account data, that means total amount 22,000, to cash 15,000, paid amount, to supplier 7,000. The amount is not yet paid.